Oh my god, my baby arrived! Oh my god, Graham, bro!
Oh my god, look at it!
Oh my god, bro! It's so good!
It's brand new!
Oh my god.
Bro, there's like full bullet holes in this car, bro.
Yeah,
Oh, it's like new.
the
bro.
cigarette light has only done
Oh my god.
4,000 kilometers.
Bro, it's...
out of the factory too.
Bro, how fast is this car, man?
It's like super fast.
Super fast.
Fuck, super fast? In reverse, it's really fast too? Oh! Mitsubishi Colt 1989.
Mitsubishi Stallion. I was told it was a Stallion.
Bro, Stallion? It's a GLX.
It's a
Bro,
top
what
of
does
the
that
line,
mean? Does that mean it's like faster?
Top of the line.
Top of the line?
Top of the
Is there
line.
like a turbo in here too?
Oh, we're gonna put one in, bro. Don't you worry.
Look at the tailpipe, bro.
Oh, it's a massive one.
Oh, that's massive.
I reckon we straight pipe this one, bros.
Not bad, good size.
Big wing for the back.
Yeah. Landed on top of a roof.
Make it so much faster.
Bro, it's gonna be so quick. You won't even see it coming. It'll just be like a trailblaze. Just boom, like a speed of light.
Bro, thank you, Graham, bros. This is gonna be the best time of my life.
That's alright.
This is like when I first found Jesus, when my mum told me about Jesus. This is like the same thing.
Yeah.
And then Jesus, I said, Jesus, I'm a bit short of cash. And he said, here you go, my son. Here's some money.
No,